Hi, my name's Sean Gibson, and I'm a digital transformation strategy consultant here at Ardoq. Today, I'm excited to introduce Ardoq's regulatory compliance solution, a powerful new capability designed to help organizations not just manage, but thrive under regulatory pressure. Did you know that non-compliance with major regulations like EU Digital Operational Resilience Act, the NIS2, ARPA's CPS 230, or the US GLBA Act can result in millions in fines, operational disruption, or loss of public trust? With Ardoq, we help you take a smarter, faster, more connected approach to compliance. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to model and track your regulatory requirements, generate audit supporting documentation, and proactively reduce your compliance burden, not increase it. Let's face it, regulatory compliance is a major burden for most organizations. You're dealing with constant regulatory change, redundant frameworks, disconnected documentation, and high-stakes audits that'll keep you up at night. Without a system to bring it all together, organizations risk wasting time, resources, and focus. Worst, non-compliance can lead to fines, operational shutdowns, damaged reputation. But what if you could turn compliance into an opportunity, a way to streamline your business, clarify risk exposure, and demonstrate control? Meet Ardoq's regulatory compliance solution, which is built on a robust compliance assurance framework. It's a regulation and framework-agnostic, scalable model for managing any regulation, whether that be the EU's Digital Operational Resilience Act, NIS2, the Australian Prudential CPS 230, or the US's GLBA. All of these regulations can be modeled all in one single place. Let's show how it works. The solution itself provides a series of workspaces that allow you to capture all of your regulations, each detailed, categorized requirement records. Frameworks will be housed in a framework workspace where you'll be able to capture the requirements for NIST or ISO or other international standards. You'll have access to a control workspace, which will act as your control library, these being a set of technical or organizational measures that will help you address various different risks. And optionally, you'll have an assessments workspace where you can carry out a variety of compliance validations, whether these be business impact assessments, application assessments, or assessing third-party vendors. All of these can be handled in an assessments workspace. We connect all of these component types using references, and primarily the realized by and mitigates references, giving you end-to-end traceability for all of your regulation requirements. We then look at using Ardoq's survey and documentation fields to allow organizations to collect real-time evidence, assess control effectiveness, monitor gaps in your compliance effort, and using broadcast, you can alert stakeholders before risks become violations. Everything is ready to support audits in a defensible and centralized manner. So here's what makes the solution so impactful. We can help organizations reduce the compliance burden, eliminating duplication by mapping multiple regulation to shared frameworks and controls. We can help organizations proactively manage risk. Through the use of broadcasts, we can detect audit gaps in regulation compliance efforts, alerting an up-to-date implementation status to reduce the risk of non-compliance. We can support an organization's efforts to become audit-ready. No more scrambling. Everything is traceable and organized, from regulation to compliance framework to policy to control to risk. So just to summarize, we're providing workspaces around regulation and frameworks, access to an internal control library, field-driven reporting, real-time dashboards, and the ability to assess various different parts of your enterprise architecture. The solution is modular, customizable, and can scale to your organization's size and complexity. If you're ready to transform how your organization handles regulatory compliance, Ardoq's solution is ready for you. Whether you're a Chief Information Security Officer, Enterprise Architect, or Compliance Officer, this solution will assist you in saving time and cost, help you strengthen your risk posture, and build a compliance culture that's proactive and not reactive. Still have questions? Reach out to our team or explore one of our interactive demos and case studies for real-world examples. But contact us today to start your compliance transformation. Let's recap the 3 biggest takeaways. Ardoq's regulatory compliance solution gives you traceability from regulation straight through to control. It'll empower your teams with real-time visibility and support audit readiness. It's customizable, scalable, and it'll help you reduce the compliance effort, not add to it, making compliance a strategic advantage. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you regain control of your regulatory complexity.